Hi all, this is Vaibhav from eVitamin. eVitamin. Lot of sellers ask me, are you selling some kind of vitamins? And I invariably say, yes, e-commerce vitamin is what we offer to our clients to boost their business online. This slide would tell us about our journey. We are a 5-year-old startup, started in 2015, and this slide take care of our journey from few clients to 1,000 plus happy clients, 3 associate to 200 plus associate, service that are cut across all the options that a seller or a brand need on Amazon, top rated service provider, and managing more than 200 global sellers. Lot of time the question comes how to manage a global seller with a time difference. So far our team has been offering a good time overlap where our team work over the hours to make sure that we do not sacrifice on any of the services that we offer because of time difference. There are Prime Days, there are Cyber Mondays, there are Black Fridays, and our team is always there doing night out in India and supporting across the night to our sellers and partners on Amazon. We have been awarded Services Ka Hero award for past 3 years in 4 categories. Those are cataloging, A plus content or enhanced brand content, account management, and advertising optimization. So, eVitamin is a complete digital agency. We manage e-commerce platform, we manage websites, we take care of social media marketing, we take care of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we also have in-house design team that take care of your banners, your logo, your packaging design. So what are the common pain points on Amazon platform, or what are the challenges that a seller face on Amazon? Your inventory planning, what products to keep in, what products are more in quantity, what are less, how to achieve a optimum ROI. The money I am spending, is it good enough, or can I put in more money to grow my sales? How to manage ODR, how to take care of POAs, how to take care of visibility, how to bring in more conversion for my products, how to take care of my bottom line. Am I making profit or am I selling my product at loss? Also, in addition to all of these, what new products to bring in, what new categories to get in, what is competition doing which I am not. So we are one-stop solution for all the Amazon services, be it cataloging, creating title, bullet points, getting the best of search terms for your product, or taking care of enhanced brand content. If your account is suspended or products are blocked, creating your own website on Amazon in form of a brand page or storefront. If you are a vendor, we'll manage Amazon marketing services or vendor central. We also take care of sponsored ad on Seller Central, as well as manage the complete account of Seller Central, where a seller has to just ship the product and rest all is taken care by our team, where we'll take care of your inventory management, we'll take care of your advertising, we'll take care of your account health, your reporting, and at your end you have to just manage the physical inventory. So why eVitamin? So in addition to we knowing lot of things on Amazon, we managing lot of sellers, I would want to make this into 4 different points. One is results. It's very important that you deliver result. We have pretty decent track record in terms of majority of our sellers have achieved their goals while working with us. We still have sellers who started with us 4 years back and they are still growing with us and working with us. Now we are not their service provider, but we are their partners in their success story. Also, our team is experienced across categories, from shoes to beddings, from home to kitchen, from toys to baby products. You name it, we would have worked on that particular category client in past or might be working right now. Expertise. So lot of time there has been scenario where seller run into problems or challenges on Amazon. Trust me, most of the time have been there, done that is what a response that a associate would give in case if you run into a problem. So we know, like, what are the common pitfalls, what are the common challenges that a seller face, and know how to resolve them, short term as well as long term. Also, we do not do random stuff. We work a plan on your account with whatever goal you are looking at, and make sure that we break into pieces on how to achieve that. So it's a strategy driven approach. And same we can say about the way we work in a team structure, where there is a team lead who drive the strategy, there is an associate who take care of your day to day operation, and there is an advertising guy who take care of your ad optimization. So what are our strongest tools? There are a lot of tools available online, where you can, just get ranking, just get keywords, or you can get, how to get your product on top. I'm not gonna talk about those tools. I'm talking about tools which we consider are more critical and more important than them. It is very important that you have a complete knowledge of product and category. You start backward from product and category and then work on seller central. So it's very important the category you are promoting, you understand their customers, and work it out in a way where you step into a customer's shoes, which move me to the second strongest tool, which is consumer behavior. Okay, so it's very important when you work on a product, be it shoes, be it apparel, be it bed linen, that you look it from Amazon seller perspective, but more importantly look at it from a Amazon customer perspective. So it's very important that you understand that consumer behavior and make changes to your product or your offering or the way you are offering to achieve the goal of selling more and more on Amazon. Very important to keep bringing in new ideas, fresh ideas, be it in terms of product, be it in terms of the way you represent your product. So new and fresh idea is another strongest of our tool. And whatever you do, you have to make sure that you track your working on a regular basis. You track how your account is progressing. You track how is your sales moving, how is your ad spend moving, how is your ROI turning. And not only just track them, but report them on a regular basis. And to cover all of these, it's very important to work on an account like a owner, to drive this business with a ownership. Managing Amazon is not rocket science. Lot of sellers, brands talk to us. We are managing our Amazon account. We have taken care of best title, best bullet point. We have been doing ACOS of 4%. What else you would do as a service provider? And I always say that, we'll not do anything different. We'll just work on your visibility, your conversion, and just do that entire step consistently, time and again, week on week, month on month, and make sure that we deliver. Because everything that boils to only these two parameters. One is driving visibility and second is driving conversion. So it's very important that you bring in more and more traffic to your product, bring in more and more customers to your product page, and then make sure whatever customers are coming to your product page, they convert, they buy your product. So be it taking care of your pricing, be it taking care of representing the product, be it providing them the right information to make a buying decision, and then again doing it same consistently, bring in more traffic and more conversion. In addition to managing Amazon portal, we also offer complete social media marketing, taking care of Facebook, Instagram pages, taking the Facebook, Instagram traffic on your Amazon detail page and converting, taking care of Google AdWords, again taking on Amazon and converting, running promotions, contests. So in addition to the Amazon customers, you also get a lot of customers from social media and they end up buying from your Amazon store. We have in-house design team that take care of your box design, your packaging design, your product detail page images, your A+ content, the way it has to be represented like the person is seeing in front, and you don't have a sales representative which is there in a physical store or a brick and mortar store, but here your listing speaks about your product, so it has to be represented in best way possible. So we take care of that stuff by creating really good brand stores, A+ listing, and then taking care of infographics, image editing, and other design work. These are some of the international brands we have served. Thank you for listening to me. I'll be available in office hours to answer any of your questions. Thank you.